Tutorial. I am installing this cylindrical round knob door lock. First, position the strike plate correctly on the door jamb and secure it by tightening the screws. Since I am replacing the lock, the necessary holes are already in the door. The next step is to install the latch assembly of the lock set into the door. Insert the latch into the door and tighten the screws on the faceplate. Now, the latch has been successfully installed. Moving on, I will remove the interior knob. To do this, locate the small hole next to the knob. Using a spanner wrench, push the retainer pin and pull the knob off. Next, unscrew the rosette by turning it counterclockwise. Now, insert the lock assembly into the hole, ensuring that the retainer legs hook onto the latch assembly. Let me clarify. I'm using the latch from an old lock to demonstrate how the parts engage. Insert the lock into the door hole correctly and test it by turning the exterior knob. Next, insert the mounting plate and align its screw holes with those of the lock.
Secure the screws onto the mounting plate. Attach the rosette over the plate by screwing it in clockwise. Finally, to attach the interior knob, locate the groove on it. Align the groove line of the knob with that of the lock cylinder. Then push and rotate the knob. Six keys, as well as the interior and exterior knobs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to the Doze